The world of education is at a crossroads. Rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, are changing the way we live, work, and learn. Many educators feel ill-equipped to navigate this brave new world of AI in the classroom. This gap in understanding is a problem we must Introducing the AI ArabiClassroom, a comprehensive guide that empowers educators to harness the power of AI, creating innovative and engaging learning experiences. We'll demystify AI and provide you with the tools and knowledge needed to use it effectively in the classroom. Discover how AI can personalize learning, streamline administrative tasks, and enhance communication between teachers, students, and parents. Our promise to you is that the AI ArabiClassroom will transform the way you think about and use AI in education. You'll gain the confidence to create engaging and innovative learning experiences for your students. The world of AI is evolving at a staggering pace. Join the AI ArabiClassroom and embark on a journey that will change the way you teach and the way your students learn forever. I am deeply interested in exploring the and AI capabilities in education, aiming to that maximizes their synergy and creates an engaging learning experience for students. Effective, tried, and high quality that will level up class. AI sparks excitement, fosters connection, educators prepare for limitless possibilities and unmatched learning experiences. Let's dive in and explore the wonders AI brings to our classrooms.